7 ways to make money online and get paid within 24 to 72 hours. These are all great ways for you to earn money from the comfort of your home. You are guaranteed payment as these are all legitimate ways of earning money online. 1. Get paid to watch videos. This is a unique way to make money watching videos, taking surveys, play games, referring friends, and more. After completing a task, you will earn Swagbucks that can be redeemed for cash, gift cards, prizes, and more. 2. Get paid to review music. This is an interesting way of earning money as your opinion counts, literally. You get to give your opinion on music tracks and count your money twice a week. Slice the Pie is my all-time favorite music review site, and Best of You get paid every Tuesday and Friday via PayPal. 3. Get paid to scan your groceries and get cashback fast. The Ibotta app is a unique coupon way to make money by scanning your grocery receipts. This free mobile app is available to iOS and Android devices. Payments are sent within minutes to my PayPal account. 4. Get paid to do quick online tasks. Amazon Mechanical Turk is a way that you could earn money and hit it big through hits. Hits are human intelligent tasks. There are basic questions that need an answer. Some tasks cannot be performed by computers, and this is where you come in. Working is also fun because you choose the task that is of interest to you. Click the links in the description below or visit laptoplifepro.com for the best courses on affiliate marketing. 5. Get paid to share your thoughts. In Paid Viewpoint, your opinion counts and you also get to count some money by answering survey questions. Signing up is fast, easy and free, and you are paid through PayPal. You get money as soon as you finish signing up. $1 is sent to you after completing this process. 6. Get paid to complete tasks in your town. The Field Agent app is available on Android and Apple devices. You only need to look for tasks within your area, do the research, submit the details of your findings and wait for your money. These tasks are simple and involve visiting stores and checking on issues such as display compliance, demos, and shelf availability. Each job may give you earnings between $3 to $12. 7. Get paid to do transcription tasks. If you are great at typing fast and transcribing, this is for you. By signing up at Transcribe Me, you get to work on tasks where you are expected to turn audios and videos into text form. All that you need is a computer connected to the internet and your transcription skills. Tracking of your weekly work is easy and in real time. You can request payment at any time as long as you have a minimum balance of $20. Click the links in the description below or visit laptoplifepro.com for the best courses on affiliate marketing. Please like and share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Good luck!